Hey everyone, welcome to the Yummy Candy Collection YouTube channel. I am Yolanda Maria, and today we have another wig revamp service. I had someone send in their unit. This is about a year old and she wanted a revamp. So anyone who has purchased a Yummy Candy Collection unit, please know that we do have this service available where you can send in your unit. So again, this is about a year old. I see that she added some sort of band to it, but I did go ahead and cut that band out. I'm gonna go ahead and add a new band that's specifically for wigs. So I'm gonna add that in for her for free. So let's go ahead and jump over into shampooing. I'm going to go ahead and wet this unit down, and then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo this wig with my all-time favorite wig shampoo. This is the Rim Pure Originals Coconut Cream Nourishing Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo. I absolutely love it for natural hair as well as wigs. As you can see, I put the shampoo directly into the water. I do not recommend any shampoo being placed on any hair extensions or directly to wigs. I did allow the unit to soak in the water for about 10 minutes. This allows any dirt, debris, hairspray, oils, anything that was on the wig. It allows the water to penetrate into the wig to remove and loosen up all of that stuff. Notice that I am simply running my fingers through the hair, not tangling up the hair, running it all in one direction. Next, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the shampoo and prepare this hair for conditioner. I have several go-to conditioners for my units and hair extensions, but today we're going to go ahead and use the Aussie Moist. This is a wonderful silicone conditioner. It has so much slip to it. So what you want to do is work the conditioner in the hair. And again, I'm going to allow this conditioner to sit on the hair for about 10 minutes. With the conditioner on, I'm going to go ahead and detangle this wig. You want to start from the bottom and work your way up to the top with a detangling brush. As you get closer to the lace, that hair on the lace is a very sensitive area, so you want to take your time here. You do not want to be pulling and tugging on this area. As you can see, I am doing very light strokes and then pulling the brush through. This is why the conditioner is so important in detangling with the conditioner. The conditioner will do the work for you and the brush will just slide through. Now it's time to go ahead and rinse the conditioner off the hair, and you just want to make sure you get all the conditioner off. Rinse it very, very well, and then I'm going to allow the unit to dry overnight. I wanted to make sure that I included a clip of how much hair came off of this wig during the shampoo, the conditioning, and detangling process. So here we are the very next day. The unit has fully air dried and time for styling. I am going to go ahead and remove some of this excess lace. Guys, over time, your unit is going to shed and you may have to cut some of that lace off. So here are the final results. Again, this unit is 1 year old. And if you have decided that you want to purchase a Yummy Candy Collection unit, please always keep in mind that we also provide a wig revamp service for our Yummy Candy Collection customers. I am going to leave all of our information down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.